Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the temperature sensor in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Disconnect the wire connector of the sensor you're replacing. Unthread the mounting screw and you can remove the old sensor. Install the new temperature sensor by inserting it through the hole in the rear panel. Then thread the screw to hold it in place. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.